On one side, hunters insist they are practicing tradition, sport, or contributing to conservation. On the other side, animal rights groups and conservationists see it as cruelty, an unnecessary killing of an animal that causes no harm. Images of hunters smiling next to giraffe carcasses spark outrage across social media, raising questions about morality. Should killing be celebrated? Should these gentle giants be reduced to trophies, rugs, and meat? Or should they be respected as living treasures of Africa's wilderness? Conservation efforts are underway to save giraffes. Protected areas, anti-poaching patrols, and global awareness campaigns are making a difference. Countries are beginning to place stricter regulations on giraffe hunting and trade. But change is slow, and demand continues to drive hunting. If nothing is done, future generations may know giraffes only from books and documentaries. But if action is taken now, these towering creatures can continue to walk the African plains for centuries to come. The giraffe is more than just the world's tallest animal. It is a symbol of balance, peace, and natural beauty. The choice lies with us, to hunt them into silence or to protect them as guardians of Africa's savanna. Their future rests in our hands. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the wild world around us.